Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add files to projects in Claude AI. So to start, go ahead and open Claude and sign into your Claude account. Now next, at the left side, go ahead and look for projects, then select it. So as you can see, I have no project at the moment, so let's add a new one for the sake of this video. So what are you working on? What are you trying to achieve? So describe your projects, goals, subject, etc. And click on Create Project. So as you can see, I've already created my project. Now let's add files to our project. So let's click on our project. Then here at the bottom right side, so you'll see files and you'll see the plus icon in here. So click on that to add your files. So here from the choices, you can upload from your device. You can add text content. You can upload from GitHub. You can upload files from Figma. So if you hover over to Figma, here you'll see all of your files and you can search for resources or you can paste URL. And the last one, you also have Drive. So you can upload files from your Drive as well. So when you hover over to Drive, you can see all of your files in here too. And just select one and it will be added to your projects. You can also add instructions in here, and that's basically it. So that's how you can add files to projects in Claude AI. Thank you for watching.